For the practical test, you will be asked a number of technical check questions. This is to establish that you can carry out basic checks and ensure your vehicle is safe for use. The test consists of show me or tell me how you would check 3 of the following. Coolant. You will be asked to identify where the coolant is located and how to check it has the correct fluid level. This can be done visually. The fluid in the expansion tank should measure between the minimum and maximum mark as indicated on the tank. Only open the cap when the engine is cold, as there may be a risk of scalding. Brake fluid. You can identify this visually. It will display the internationally recognized symbol for brakes. The levels should generally be between lines indicated on the bottle. Power steering fluid. Most power steering racks rely on fluid to help them operate. Some systems run on an electronic steering rack system. Without the correct fluid level, or if there is a fluid leak, the power steering system will fail. This would make it extremely difficult to drive the vehicle. Windscreen washer fluid. Check that there is adequate fluid in the tank, and it is recommended that you use a windscreen washer additive. Dipstick and oil top-up. Using the dipstick to check the engine oil level. Carry out this check on a level surface. Remove the dipstick and wipe with a rag. Insert the stick back into the oil reservoir. By removing the stick a second time, you can see clearly the true oil level, which will be marked on the end of the stick. Should oil be needed, pour in 1 litre at a time and check again until the desired level is reached. All fluid levels should be checked when the vehicle is cold, and make sure you are on a level surface. Lights, reflectors and indicators. Make sure that all lenses are clean and unbroken. If these show a white light due to a broken lens, the test will not be conducted. Windows and wing mirrors. Make sure they are cleaned inside and out. All mirrors should be cleared of any dirt to ensure maximum view. Window tints. You must not use a vehicle with excessively dark tinting applied to the windscreen or to the glass in any front window to either side of the driver. Window tinting applied during manufacture complies with the visual light transmittance standards. There are no VLT limits for rear windscreens or rear passenger windows. Tyres. They must be correctly inflated to the vehicle's manufacturer's specification. They should display no rips, tears or bulges. Most vehicles on the road must display a minimum tread depth of 1.6 mm over the main treads. This is the depth groove marker. You should check the tyre pressures weekly and do so when the tyres are cold, as this will give you a more accurate reading. Wiper blades. You must check that the wiper blades to the front and rear are in good working order. Replace if worn. The tester will be checking your tax, insurance and NCT if applicable. All registration numbers printed on the discs must correspond with the registration plate on the vehicle. Your tax disc must display private class. L plates. Attach them to the front and rear of the vehicle so that they are clearly visible. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Should you have any further questions for David, please feel free to contact the number on screen. We would love to hear from you.